Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Make sure that you have subscribed. You guys, it's been a while. I'm still trying to get some video ideas together for you, but today I want you to enjoy this video all about vintage eclectic. Like I said, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to let me know down below in the comment section what you felt about this, and I will be coming back very soon with some just like strictly voiceover videos, just so we can talk and reconnect, and I can tell you everything that I've been up to while I've been gone. Hope you enjoy the video. Stick around to the end. I will hop back on. All right, guys. friends, so I just wanted to pop in to say that I know a lot of you like the eclectic style, but how do you feel about this vintage eclectic style? Definitely let me know down below in the comment section. I really want to know. I feel like it's not as over the top as the normal eclectic. Of course, if you want to see more videos, just click here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.